Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best electric screwdriver for everyday DIY and home repair needs. Today, we'll take a close look at the Hoto electric screwdriver, its smart features, smooth performance, and why it's a favorite among users. Let's get started. Product features. Durable S2 steel bit set. Comes with 25 high-strength S2 steel bits rated at 60 HRC, designed for durability and long-term use across multiple DIY and repair tasks. Magnetic bit system. The magnetic tip allows quick and secure bit changes, while the included extension rod helps you easily reach tight or deep spaces. Built-in circular LED light. An integrated LED ring light illuminates your workspace clearly, making it easier to work in low-light or dark environments. Sleek magnetic storage case. Features a modern rectangular magnetic case with a snap-on lid that keeps all components organized, protected, and easy to carry. Lightweight and comfortable grip. Weighing only 0.55 pounds, it features a double-layer soft grip made from durable plastic and TPE rubber for comfort and reduced hand fatigue. 3 torque adjustment levels. Offers 3 torque settings to match different tasks, giving you precise control for delicate electronics or tougher assembly jobs. Smart safety sensor. Built-in smart sensor instantly stops rotation when the button is released, helping prevent slips, damage, or accidental injuries. Long-lasting battery power. Powered by a 1500 mAh battery, tested for durability and extended use across multiple projects on a single charge. Fast Type-C charging. Supports Type-C charging with a full charge in under 150 minutes, ensuring quick power recovery between tasks. Pros. Strong and durable S2 steel bits. Compact, lightweight, and ergonomic design. Smart safety features for better control. Bright LED lighting for precision work. Versatile kit for multiple DIY applications. Cons. Charging cable not included. Not designed for heavy-duty industrial tasks. Final thoughts. The Hoto electric screwdriver combines smart design, reliable performance, and user comfort in one compact tool. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing electronics, or handling daily home projects, this screwdriver delivers precision and convenience you can trust. Want a smarter way to handle DIY tasks? Check the price link in the description. Like and subscribe to Best Product for more honest reviews and top tech picks.